Well, hello, you dirty potters. How are you today? Oh, big announcement. Huge announcement, honestly. Today is a very, very exciting episode for me. For quite some time, I've been asked to teach classes at a place called IMC. I started teaching classes once they built a little studio, which we are going to go see in today's episode, and they needed teachers to fill roles such as beginner, intermediate. I don't know any other classes. Now that's the main announcement that I have for today's video, is that I'm gonna actually become a real life pottery teacher instead of a pseudo online one very, very soon. So if you want to take those classes, I will start them probably in about a month from the release of this video, I believe. And I will put all the information down on the description below. It's gonna be once a week. There's gonna be a price. I think it's relatively low price in competition to the majority of other places in my area, but that is the main announcement, is that I am starting to teach pottery classes IRL. I guess we got to do that until the metaverse gets better, because then, you know, like once that's a thing, like I'm putting the goggles on and we're gonna throw pottery together. The second announcement is that I have decided I'm going to ClayCon West instead of in Sika this year for 2024. I talked to Lindsay about it and she was like, it's in Virginia and that's far, and I'm not trying to spend and then we gotta fly, and then we got the layover, and then we didn't want to do all that. We wanted to just go to Nevada and have that be done. So we are going to ClayCon West. I am gonna bring some goodies to trade with you, something that I'll probably announce a little later. It's just in the works right now, but I might be making.
Hey, just working hard so I can please you.
You'll find out. I'll put it on my website soon. But the huge thing about today's video is that I'm going to show you where I'm going to be teaching, because I have access to the classroom and I want you to see how sexy it is. This is actually pretty prime because I had to go pick up clay anyway. The only difference is that somebody's coming with us.
I need sleepy time right now.
Okay, that's all the baby time you're getting for the... Nope. No more baby time. No more. You guys don't pay attention to YouTube videos unless there's a baby in it. And I'm not going to shill out my kids for the entire episode just so that I can have a couple likes, which you should be doing anyway, to be honest with you. All the stuff that I just showed you is basically just the store, but this is the place that is attached to the studio. So it's not like you have to go somewhere else to buy your equipment and then come to the studio. This shop here is attached right next door to the studio itself. And I think you get a little discount code over here if you can take the classes. Huh? But enough messing around in here. Let's go to the studio itself and check that out. Yo, is that a raku kiln? It is! I did not know they had that. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Studio time. Classic. Almost every pottery studio has a bottle of lotion randomly laying around. Clay dries out your hands. So this is it. This is the classroom. I think it's really nice actually. Do keep in mind that they keep adding stuff. Like there's a raku kiln out there and I did not see that before like 2 weeks ago. And once summer hit, they built those racks that have plastic over them so your stuff doesn't dry out too fast because a lot of people only have one class a week. Do keep in mind that this place is just coming off of the ground, so every week they add something new. I think last time I was here, there was like 5 wheels, and now there's almost like 10 wheels behind me right now. I've done the math. As long as I can keep 4 students every month, I can technically make more money than my 9-to-5 job every day for that one day of work. And not to brag, but I think I could hit at least 3 students. A lot of things come when you sign up with the lessons, including firing some glazes, the time for the space, the studio space, the lighting box, the equipment. You can use all that, including you also get a discount from the shop. I just asked the owner and he was like, yeah, you guys get a little discount, so it's not too bad. It's actually really cool there's a shop right next to it, because a major problem for a lot of studios I've been to is that they will have a pottery studio, but someone will have to go somewhere else to buy their stuff. For example, the college I went to did not have a pottery shop or any clay on site, so I had to come here like 7 years ago to get my clay and then drive all the way back to college, which is not a short trip. But thank you, Potters, for joining me today. I just wanted to make a real quick video announcing that I am teaching classes. I wanted to show you around. I'm gonna leave links down below in the description so that if you do want to sign up for classes and you are in the Sacramento area, you can come on through, you can sign up. It's up to you, but I really just wanted to announce it. Plus, I think it's a pretty sweet deal. Like, I actively tried to keep my prices lower than the competition around here. So, good luck on your next kiln load, and I will see you, Dirty Potters, next week.
Thank you for your patronage.
Also, I'm kind of hoping that if I buy another kiln, I can plug it in here, and then I can have 2 kilns to fire big stuff in.